Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a beatable wine stopper video tutorial. Going to be real easy, real simple. So I laid all these out to show you some of the things that are now out for beatableness. If that's a word, it's not a word, but I made it up. Okay, so of course we have the beatable pins. I have a video on my channel. I will link it at the end. Where we made these beautiful pins. Okay, now we have the beatable stylus. I did not do a video on this, but I did show it in a video. This is a stylus, and it's for your tablet or iPad or whatever. And you just take this off, and you have a pin there, and it writes. And you put it back in there and use it on your tablet, your phone, or whatever. So these are really pretty too, right? The beatable stylus. I love these a lot. A lot of people like these, right? A lot of people who do digital planners love these. And of course, I have a digital planner in my Etsy shop that is specifically for creative businesses for you to log all of your information. Okay, and I will put that link for artful planning down in the description. It is now available on Amazon, right? And this goes great with the digital download version, which you can get in my Etsy shop. Okay, so the stylus works great. So I have this one. It's the stylus, right? So they have all kind of beatable things now. And of course, this is the wine stopper. It's been around for years and years. Nothing new, to see, but I like to level everything up. So this is just really beautiful with the sort of the laser beads that I found on TikTok shop. Now, I love the keychains, right? Really beautiful. All right. So you have your pins, your stylus, your keychains, just another stylist, and your wine stoppers. They also have beatable bookmarks. They got beatable wine openers, bottle openers, and a lot of other stuff, y'all. So definitely do your research. Only thing I've seen a lot of the stuff on Amazon. So you can definitely do your own search on Amazon for that, okay? This is also a stylus. I thought that was cool. So you can use your beads to bead any of these things, right? And so these are the things that I'm now offering when I do my setups at my events, okay? And my clients and my customers love these types of things, okay? So today we're just going to do the wine stoppers. Look at that. That's fire. That's fabulous, right? That's fabulous. So I just wanted to show you all of the things that you can possibly add for your creative business. All right. Lots of people do this, and these are really good sellers, just so you know. Especially if you do it like if you set up at a winery or something like that, they go like hotcakes. Okay, just so you know. Look at the keychains, it's beautiful. You can sell them for whatever you want. I don't really have a price. You have to price it out yourself. I will say that I got the beads on TikTok shop, and I will list that in the description like I always do. TikTok shop is the only place that I found these types of beads. Okay, you're gonna have to Google it and figure it out and figure out how to buy from TikTok shop. You put in your cart and you check out through PayPal. You can link your PayPal with your TikTok. It's real simple, real easy. I don't I don't I can't really help anybody figure that out. You're just gonna have to Google it and find out for yourself, okay? And I got these beads from different shops on TikTok shop. So when you log into TikTok, you set up your account, you can just go through and see who has what. Because a lot of people, a lot of shops offer the beads, they offer the pins, they offer the wine stopper, they offer a lot of different things. So you just have to kind of skim through and see what it is you like. All right. So let's put this stuff aside. All right, so these are some of the beads that I grabbed off of TikTok shop. I bought, I think this is a 300 milliliter. They usually have three different sizes. They have a small, medium, and like a large. And you always get free gifts when you shop with any of the shops. They send you little free, like little toppers and stuff like that. So I got a large order, a medium order of these particular beads. And they always have different colors and different names. A lot of the beads that I have, I'm showing you, are probably sold out, and they always have different colors and everything. So I love this color. I thought it was beautiful. So I may use this on the gold one. All right. Now I did start playing with the silver, right? So you just unscrew the ball, unscrew the ball from the top. And I like to bead mine from the top down. That's just how I like to do it. So I'm going to put a spacer on there. This is a 12 millimeter spacer. So see, slide it on just like that. I like the 12 millimeter. You can use 12 millimeter or bigger. Right. And then, but some of them you may have to screw on, like for these, the gold ones, I had to actually screw them on and then push them down. But before you even do that, you get unscrew this whole thing. Okay, let's see. Let's just unscrew this so I can show you. All right. Let's just unscrew it. So you see it comes out like that. All right. And you could just put a tiny bit of glue down in there. That's what I would do. But for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to do it like this. Okay. So I'm just going to screw it back, and I would put a tiny bit of glue in the top of this before I screw it on, just so it could stay. All right. Screw it back on. Real simple, real easy. All right. So I put the spacer on there. I was playing with this earlier because I thought it was pretty. I'll see how it works out here. I put that bead on there like that. Okay. Put the spacer on there like that. Now you see these are going to be a little hard to put on. Some of these are. Some of the beads may be hard too because you need a big hole bead for these wine stoppers, okay? Just so you know. Big hole beads work best. All right? So, and big hole spacers work best. Now for this, like this other one slid on, right? So what I would do is turn it upside down and just screw it on. Right? Just try to screw it on and then push it down. And I had to do that with these as well. I didn't have to do that with the pins or the stylus or the keychains, y'all. It's only these because I guess this is so thick. This is a lot thicker than any of these. All right, just so you know. All right, so whatever big hole beads you have will work best on these. Okay, so I got this together there. See, pretty cute. And I think I'm gonna just put this bead on here. I thought it was pretty cute. I have a lot of these beads. These are called laser beads. I think they're called laser beads, y'all. I think. And they're really beautiful. The only place I've ever seen these beads was TikTok Shop. Now I got this particular bead at Hobby Lobby, but the rest of these beads I got at TikTok Shop, and the spaces I got on Amazon. And I did a haul, okay, and I will link that haul, the Amazon haul, down in the description so you can see, where I got the stoppers and the spacers, okay? So that's it. And then I would put a tiny bit of glue in the top, okay, and screw it on. Now you may have to, screw it on and then look at it and see. All right. So let's see, that spins around. I don't know. That doesn't bother me. But look at how pretty that is. It's so beautiful. And these will fit most wine bottles. Now, some of the really big wine bottles, the fat bottles, it's probably going to be too small for that. But just for your standard wine bottle, these fit. I've already tested them. They work great. All right. And these are supposedly stainless steel. And I think they're the same size. I got these two from two different vendors on Amazon. So, just I would check them just before you start beating on them, just to make sure that they fit everything that you need them to fit. So I'm gonna see if they see some of these beads, they don't fit, y'all. So you really have to dig through your beads and try the beads to see what fits, right? Like I love this. I love this for some reason. I don't know why. I just do. Right? So let's see. Now, let's get a couple spacers. Now, this is where I keep my spacers, y'all. I've showed this before. All right, this is my spacers here. Got all types of spacers. These work great because they're obviously big. Look, big hole beads. Other types of big hole beads you could use. Big hole beads. So beads like this work great on the beatable wine stoppers, y'all. All right, these. And these other ones you got to screw on. All right. At least that's what I found. Now, some people may tell you different. That's just my experience, okay? So I like to put one at the bottom. I mean, it just depends on the layout, but that's what we're going to do right now. So what I did was I put the spacer down, turned it upside down, and just screw it on. And then push it down. Okay, hold that, screw it on. Okay, and then push it down. So, yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. All right, let's see. See? Slides right on. And once they're on, they're pretty snug, pretty tight. Okay, pretty easy, pretty tight. Now this one's gonna be hard, y'all, because I've already made a couple of these, and I don't want to keep making the same ones. So I have to use some of these beads for this. And some of the beads don't fit, like I mentioned. So let's try this. Well, this one didn't fit, right? Let me see. I don't think this one fit either. I just have to try to see what be like. Let me see. Like that one doesn't fit. You know what I mean? Like this one will probably fit. See how big that hole is? That one will probably fit. See? Slides right on. That's cute though. Oh, okay. Well, for the purpose of the video, let's see what we can come up with here. Let me see. Do I need this? Let me see. Oh, I have that one. I kind of wanted to use this, but I don't even know if this will fit. I know these fit probably 99.9% of the things that I have that are beatable, but some things they don't fit. Like that's not gonna fit, right? It's gonna get stuck. So like this will fit. Like see that? That's cute. Like a little cupcake. That's a cupcake. That's cute, y'all. See, flower slide right on there. Right. So if you have big beads like that have big holes, that's gonna be perfect. Okay. And then I will show you all the ones I made at the end. This is gonna be a really pretty short video. You all, it's pretty simple, to do this. It's not much to it. It's just your, the type of beads you have and the layout and all of that. Okay. These are a little more fussy than the other beadable items that I've used. So just so you know. Okay. That's my disclaimer. That is my disclaimer on this. Okay. So I would just screw that on there. Now you can get some 15 millimeter, you can get some 15 millimeter spacers that may work better, but just know they're going to be bigger. Okay. 15 millimeter rhinestone spacers. Okay. So see, that's pretty. That's cute, right? Pretty cute. And then let's see if the cupcake fits. Oh, pretty cute. All right. Let's see if this will fit at the top. Sometimes it won't close if it's not enough room. Let's see here. And you screw that back on. Oh, yay. Look at that. Pretty. Very pretty. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yay. So let's see that. That's cute, huh? All right, y'all. Very easy and simple. Your beadable wine stoppers. Very, very cool. Okay. Just if you decide to use a big hole bead, like say like this, you will need a bead stopper. And you can get these on Amazon as well. And I will put the link down in the description for these. You just put the wine stopper on the bead so it won't move around. Here, let me see if I can show you real quick. For people who aren't familiar, I don't even know if it'll work on this one. It may or may not. Let's just do it real quick and see. Yeah, let's see. Can I make a blue one? I don't know if I have a blue one. It takes time to make some of these, So you see that? That's on there. The stopper on there. And then you just put this on here so the bead doesn't move around so much. See that? It doesn't flap around. It stays in place. All right. So the wine stopper's right there. See that? Very cool. All right. So if you're going to use these types of beads. But again, I'll put everything down in the description. Okay. I'll put the wine stoppers and all the other things that I have down in the description. All right. Again, I got the beads from TikTok Shop. I've already explained where I got everything. All right. So here are the finished pieces that I've made so far. I just started on the silver ones because I just got them in. But I made this one. So just to give you some ideas, I'm sure you probably have different things than I have. So, you make them however you like. These are beautiful. You sell them for whatever you want to sell them for. I've seen people sell these anywhere from $8 to $20, y'all. Really, I have. Some of the ones I've seen for $20, they generally have gemstones on them. And of course, I have gemstones. So, I'm going to try them with the gemstones and all that. So, but you can sell them for whatever you want. For your business, you can make them for a party. You can make them for gifts, whatever you want to do. I think they're beautiful. And I like that I get the beads from TikTok Shop and it makes everything so much more unique, right? So, yeah, that's pretty. Got that one. Yeah, I'll just show you a bunch of them, so you can see, the quality. The quality is amazing. And for these, really, really nice. So, look at this one. Look at these. I don't know which one is my favorite, y'all. They're all my favorite. I love them all. I love them all. They're all gorgeous, right? Beautiful. Look at this one. I think this is by far one of my favorites. Look at that. It's like a little air balloon with the little mouse ears. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's the only one I have, y'all. It's the only one I have. And it's probably going to be a little bit more expensive than the rest of them. The ones that are more unique tend to go for more money, in my opinion. So that's absolutely beautiful. Okay. So we saw that one. Look at this one. Like these two. Well, these two make a great gift. Look at that. For somebody who loves the Disney people, not that it's Disney, not Disney at all, but for anybody who loves that, look at that. Just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So those are very unique and very cool. And this one we just made here. See, they're pretty easy and simple if you have the right materials to make them. All right. Now this isn't actually the topper. I just put a bead up there, but you can also do that. Just put a regular bead up there. Just make sure you glue it. So yeah. All right, so those are my beadable wine stoppers. I absolutely love them. I can't wait to make more. I do have some more beads coming, so I'll be making more. And think about adding these to your repertoire of things that you sell because people love these. I'm a wine girly. I love wine, so this is right up my alley. I've actually seen these in stores and wanted to buy one. I thought, well, why would I buy it when I can make it? I can make it cuter than what that is. And those things were expensive, y'all. So make your own stuff, and then you can always make these for gifts, and you can make them to sell. It's up to you. I think they're beautiful. So again, if you have any questions or comments regarding this video, please leave it below, and I'll answer get back to you. And give me a follow on all of my social media. My social media links are all listed in my link tree. Just click the link down in the description. It will take you to all of my socials. You can follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and so on and so forth. All right. So, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.